Hello everyone, welcome back. It's another problem of the day. Woohoo, woohoo. I know it's your favorite part of the day. It is for me. It's math time. Let's get started. All right, our math norms. Listen to classmates and teachers. We appreciate mistakes because that's learning. We can learn from each other because we all do math at high levels. Math is about creativity and solving problems. Speed is not a math value, and math talk is necessary. I added that little dance. I hope you danced too. All right, now for our problems of the day. We've got a couple here, and remember when we're in class, you can choose to do both of them. You can choose to work on one. You can choose, if you finish one, then of course you do the other one too. So because you have unlimited time here, you can pause it as long as you'd like. It would be great if you worked on both. Let's start with the top. Mike is Danielle's brother. Mike has one brother. Danielle has twice as many sisters as brothers. How many children are in the family? I'm going to give you guys some hints here, okay? Mike is a boy, because he's Danielle's brother, and Danielle is a girl. Okay? And then I'd like you to review the grid method for multiplication. If you kind of forgot, what was the grid method again Mrs. Obitz is talking about? I'm just going to give you some hints by drawing it out here. Ooh. Sometimes my tools are a little difficult to work with, but I'm doing my best, right, people? Thanks for your patience. Okay, so I drew it out and I will fill it in while you are working. So I'm just going to take a pause right here and you guys get to work and check back when you're all finished. Bye-bye. Guys, I'm back. I hope you are working hard on these problems for our problem of the day. Okay, so Mike is Danielle's brother. Mike has one brother. Danielle has twice as many sisters as brothers. How many children are in the family? Now here's the deal. You need to make sure that you read these story problems over and over because you know they like to throw some tricky stuff in there. Okay, so we've already read it twice at least. And if you need to read it more, then you do that. Read it as many times as you need. So Mike is Danielle's brother. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put a B section here, and then we're going to put an S for brothers and sisters. So we'll make tally marks, and we can figure out, sorry, I'm using that little mouse pad again. Okay, so Mike is Danielle's brother. So then we'll put a tally mark here for Mike. All right, and Mike has a brother. So we'll put another tally mark. Okay, then it says Danielle has twice as many sisters as brothers. Well, we have two brothers, so twice, what's twice as many of two? You got it, guys. That's 4. Okay, well, here's where we could get a little tricky because the real question is how many children are in the family? But guess what we forgot? We forgot Danielle. Can't forget Danielle. This whole problem was about Danielle. Mike is Danielle's brother. Mike has one brother. Danielle has twice as many sisters as brothers. How many children are in the family? So 2 plus 4. Of course, that's 6 plus 1. So there are 7 children in the family. Okay, give me a whoop whoop if you got 7. Good for you. Awesome. Okay, we're moving right along now. Down here, it says, let's review the grid method of multiplication. So we have 42 times 34. So first what we do is over here, 40 times 30, and we even break it down more. So we just do 4 times 3, right? That's 12. 4 times 30, that's 120. 40 times 30 is 1,200. Next, 2 times 30, you can probably just do that in your head because that's 30 plus 30, that's 60. Here we go. Next, we have 40 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 40 times 4 is 160. Let me just slide that on over. Okay. Now we have 2 times 4. Everybody? Everybody. That's 8. Very nice. Okay, so now our job is, in order to get 42 times 34, we need to add all of these up, okay? So I'm just going to add up that top, this area right here. So 1,200, let me put a comma here, 1,200 plus 60 is 1,260, right? We could do that. Then next, we're going to add, yes, push the right button. Okay, so I'm going to add now 160 plus 8. People, what is that? You are correct, 168. Now I'm going to get my tool out right here. And draw my line to show equals. And here's my typing again. Okay, so here we go. 8 plus 0 is 8. Working backwards here. 6 plus 6, that's 12. And we're going to need to carry a 1. So it's kind of difficult because not everything is lined up perfectly, which kind of throws me off. So 0 plus 8 is 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. Let me just move this one over a tinge. Then we have 1 plus 2 plus 1. Everybody? Correct. 4. And then lastly, 1 plus 0. So if you got 1,428, awesome job. Sweet work. And if you don't trust that this worked, you can always check it on a calculator. But remember, we never do it first on the calculator. We always just check our work later if we want to check it to make sure. So I hope you're having a great day. See you later, alligators. Bye.